I realize this video is all over the place, so I just want to preface this. A lot of shit happened on this day. We picked up our Mega Rex. Snoop Dogg's son ended up picking up a Rolls Royce from our place. And what I'm about to show you is our buddy Kaz Sawyer came by to come film some content. He's got a brand new Porsche. It's pretty sick. Check it out. What's up, dude?
What's good?
I had to vlog some of this, bro. This thing's too clean.
I haven't actually revealed it yet, so we're doing a little.
Yeah, it's exciting. Yeah. How was your trip, dude?
Insane. Yeah. It was like it was like Bali, and then came back for a week, then Abu Dhabi, Mykonos, back to Dubai. So it's been it was sick, and now just being home.
Living the dream, dude.
Yeah, I know, right? That wave out there is literally a dream. It's like the perfect, like a minute-long ride with
dude.
2 barrel sections. It's so sick.
Just like the scenery where you're at, bro, is mind-blowing.
Dude, right?
Yeah.
Once I get with a hard park, let me know if I look good.
Yeah. That looks pretty centered right there.
Yeah, Rich hasn't put my car cover on it, but I think just the garage over is
we need to get a red cover too, bro.
So I'll be like, here we go, and I whoosh, open it, and you smoothly but kind of quickly do it. I think all in one. I'm gonna give the look back, be all excited. I'm just like, here we go, and we'll run it. We can always redo it. Here we go.
Back and I'm causing a stir. How the fuck I got the drink out of Europe? Shawty keep twisting at her.
Stutter up. We then took it on its first drive. And since the car.
It's cool to see you guys' whole process. You guys really dissect it. Yeah. So you have a super elaborate post schedule, huh? That's you know already.
So it's this platform where you can pretty much optimize it however you want, but for every platform we have everything scheduled out. Just
how many weeks in advance do you have videos planned out?
Right now I have it for a month. Because it's stressful that way, but I'm trying to get in the system of scheduling it ahead of time and all that, because then the goal is come back from a trip, stack up a bunch of videos, have it fully done, fully scheduled, and then you can work on your next project. How that stuff's being posted.
Yeah.
So that's
how many editors do you have? Are you just the main editor?
I always was, but now, right now, actually on my last trip, I met the sickest Chilean homie on a plane in the middle of the Mental Islands. And so he's living with me right now, and then we're deciding he's either gonna move from Chile full time and live at my house, or
that's sick.
Find someone and train him. So I realized I need an in-house editor because it's
it's too much to keep up with, huh? Yeah.
I think that's good. We still need. I actually want to talk to you about double-sided Prius. We're getting ready to destroy it, so if we want to do something together,
we can run it over with a couple.
I have a couple decisions. Right now, I want to film before destroying it, 5 to 10 just random viral videos. I'm gonna get rent a trailer for a couple weeks. Then I either want to do something local with it, or I was thinking about shipping it to Florida and seeing if Danny Duncan wanted to just
fuck yeah, that'd be crazy.
Don't do that. We should do something and destroy it. He's a big YouTuber out.
I'll show you a couple pictures.
I'm fucking 45. I don't know who it is. All I see right here is just a always got all. I'm
gonna use that. I'm gonna use that next time I don't know one of your classic rock songs, all right?
But what's the end play for something like this? How long does this go?
Oh, for me.
Yeah, for you, for YouTube in general. Is there
right now, I have a couple different product-based ideas for companies that aren't tied to my name and that I would love to way outgrow my name. So for me, long-term play is utilize obviously the reach I have, the network I have, and the experience I've built, and then just basically have a product-based brand that outgrows me. And then social media, you're always a high-paid employee. You can never.
Yeah, I just figured there's got to be a point in time where you're okay, I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah. Oh, even now, for me now, if I'm doing a viral, the other day I did that video of me crashing that golf cart. I got 300 million views. I'm it was sick, but I'm dang, that's so much lost potential. But even on my golf cart, if my actual company had its logo on there, it's
So you're saying you didn't mean to fuck the golf cart up?
No, dude. That was accidental.
So you ran out of talent that day? So the golf cart's just that funny.
Dude, I've
run out of talent before, so I
ran out of talent, bro. I had done so many wheelies. We'd done wheelies on PCH, which is way more dangerous. Nothing ever happened. And then that day, I think I was super tired. I was whatever. We'd been doing a bunch. We'd already drifted it. I don't know if you saw, but we put drift tires on it. We drifted at a golf course. Then I it yanked back so far that all 4 wheels came up. And the wheelie bar, it was just literally fully on the wheelie bar. And then I fucked up. I had the wheel kind of a little sideways because we were basically doing it on a thin runway, and I saw it going towards the grass. And so subconsciously, I'm used to having a bigger runway. I'm oh fuck, we're about to hit grass. And I kind of got jolted, and I kind of shifted the steering wheel. And so then when it landed, it totally got it off track. Yeah, it was. And then dude, I got so much shit for it, but I just like, I didn't even mean to like, I didn't have time to even process. It's just, I felt that like, it was at a point of no return at all. And then like, the timing was just impeccable. I just ran out of the thing. And like, it kind of like sent me out as it was flipping. Like
Something tells me like it seems like you're kind of doing it like
It looked like you did it on purpose, bro.
It was on accident. Genuinely speaking, it wasn't. She was even there. Like I would have told her like there was an intention of that. Like there wasn't. Like, oh, I'm excited about if I don't do the Florida thing for the Dosai Prius.
Where's it at right now?
It's in Irvine. I just store it. Yeah.
It's rotting away over there.
It's just rotting
It takes
away.
up 2 spaces too, right?
Yeah, it's like 23 feet, 22 feet. It's wherever I've done it, it's been like super illegal, so it's like literally in like.
Do you have a spot?
Okay, we should try then, like before destroying it, like 2 days of just like fun, like fuckery with it, then a desert day with it. It'd be so sick. Bro, imagine like this is probably too crazy. It's like going like this, and we get like a truck to jump over it or something.
That's not, yeah. We could do that.
All right, bro. Well, thanks for letting us film here, and then.
Yeah, let's do something. You keep using my place. I'm gonna fucking.
I know. You're hey, I still have the clips with that dope ass, whatever that.
Buckshot.
Yeah. So when I'm like officially back here, I'll do a story there and tag you guys.
Cool.
That'd be great. Yeah, I'll for sure do that. Cool. Yeah, we'll run that.
Yeah.
Bigger project will for sure be the Prius, because then that's more than just like an Instagram story. It's like it'll be throughout the YouTube video, and we can do some natural integrations.
And then this stuff that he's doing right now, is that cool if we do a YouTube video?
I'll wait until I see your video up. Yeah.
Use all of it.
Cool.
As long as you're not incriminating me and I didn't.
I got you. Yeah.
It'll be me if anybody.
Incriminate him.
I do it myself, believe me. I have to send them videos sometimes. They're like, that might be pushing.
Later, guys.
You know, the coolest thing about today is that we kind of had an inclination that the first gentleman that came by was a famous person's son, but we didn't know for sure, so we're not gonna say anything, and to be honest, it doesn't really matter. I'll tell you what did matter is the young man that came to look at the Rolls Royce was cool as shit. Well-educated, well-versed, kind, family man, and that's all I care about. Same with Kaz. Kaz is just this super cool young man. You can tell had great parents. He has just his delivery with everything. He's polite, all that stuff. So as much as I fuck around with him and stuff, because I don't know shit, because I'm older than all these kids, it was really cool. That was a fun day. Plus, I think we sold the Rolls Royce and an Explorer. It's a hell of a day. You're like, oh, I sell a Rolls Royce and an Explorer that, by the way, Jack had been driving before. I got him his pre-runner. Kind of a pre-runner, it's a fucking Toyota. But anyway.
What the fuck?
It's super sick. That's why I said, dude, that was the point. Jack's like, oh, I'm gonna buy this 4Runner for this much. I'm like, hey, Jack, how about you put this much down? I'll get you this truck, and then we can do this. Now he's stuck in a payment that he can't afford, so you can't.
Yeah, I can.
Do you think I can flag it for you?
I know you can't because you work for me. So but anyway, Jack was driving the Explorer for a while and someone just came to look at it. It's filthy, the oil change light is on, and it barely had any gas in it.
I told you about that oil change light how many weeks ago?
And I told you that you need to get it serviced because you were driving it and you said, I got you. Yeah, go, let's take a look. This isn't like kind of dirty. This looks like you left it at your trailer park for like 3 months and haven't washed it.
You act like I've driven it in the past like 2.5 weeks.
Dude, it looked the same. The windshield, nobody's driven it since you.
No one's washed it?
And no one's washed it. I think the last person to wash it was Max, and a lot washed probably a month ago.
You said you were going to handle it.
I haven't even driven my truck in like 4 days. Like I just washed it yesterday.
I can go pay for an oil change. I can do that for you.
I'm actually fucking with you.
I know you are.
I think I told you I'd take care of it. But still, you're excited driving your fucking. Look at you on a pre-run.
Do you blame me?
Yeah.
Do you blame me?
Plus 4-wheel drive 2021.
TRD off-road.
TRD off-road. They took the Whittle ditch lights and put them on the bumper. You can see where they moved the mounts. Glass isn't painted, but it's front rear glass. It is it undersprung?
Yeah.
Undersprung. So it's got kind of what they consider a long travel kit for Toyotas, which I think is about 6 inches of travel. It's pretty cool.
Fuck you.
Mr. Dynamic Weapon Solutions, Pedro's going to be here in a little bit. I'm going to buy his truck. I don't even know if he knows it yet, but he's going to sell me his truck. I think that it's probably one of the coolest looking like pre-runners I've seen, like for Raptor wise. I mean, when you see it, when we left, I was watching Pedro go down the road. It looks, killer.
Dude, I'm always tagged.
Yeah.
People are like, oh, whose is this?
Because the thing is that everyone's so big on like Pedro has a crew cab as well, and I had the crew cab, and we all get into the crew cabs because it's fun. They're like party wagons. You go out and you can put everybody in them, but the reality of it is the extra cabs work better. On this particular truck, there's a couple small things that I would do because I'm real weird about some of the shit, but Pedro has good content of it out ripping through some of the Terra Crew and some whoops and some other shit.
Yeah, it's like the perfect truck to take, throw your surfboard in the back, go to the beach, and then later that day, cruise down the Baja and get some tacos.
Yeah, and I love blue. So like the last blue one, my first real Raptor was blue. So you know how we were kind of talking about earlier about these things? And so I've always loved off-road stuff.
Yeah.
So I had all, like my first car was a Baja Bug, and then I never had anything that was a real off-road vehicle.
Yeah.
And then in 2011, when the first extra cabs came out, I got a 6.2 liter from a buddy of mine that almost had it finished. It's a long story, I ended up getting it, and I fell in love. But then as time went on, I went up and down, and then I'm on the auctions one day, and I never buy cars at the auction.
Yeah.
And I'm on the auctions, and a blue crew cab comes on, and it was a full-built RPG truck. It was owned by this guy named Don originally. So anyway, he traded in because it had a brand new engine. They could never figure out why it would go into limp mode.
Yeah.
So I got a hold of it from the auction, and once I got that, dude, it was on. Once I had, for me, what I'm trying to say is that Raptor with the blue one was my first one where I was like, I actually could see what a real off-road, and then it turned into
snowballed.
Yeah, snowballed. It actually technically kind of snowballed. It was kind of weird. It turned into a dust ball though. I landed on the nose, and then it went like this, and then it went like that. So
I was there.
Yeah. All right. So I just got back from Chris Allen's. He's been helping me with that truck. He's not proud of the truck, but he's proud of his work. He did. I said okay to do all new uniballs, all the shocks got rebuilt. We did some steering work on it. It's gonna be back together, and we'll probably do some testing with it, have a little fun with it, make sure everything works well, get that for sale. Kaz came by. He's such a rad kid. I say kid because I'm 45 years old. So super cool. He came by, we did some fun stuff. He did some content here. We're gonna have some other stuff coming out with him. And then the Rolls Royce we sold to very famous rapper, probably one of the coolest rappers of my time, actually. To one of his family members is the best thing I could say. I don't really want to put it out there too much, but what a great dude, and family man and everything else. And he also had some special requests that he wanted us to take care of on the Rolls Royce. So we don't normally do a lot of customizing stuff or fixing up, but if people hit us up and they're a good person and we can help them out, meaning they're not a pain in my ass and they're just pay what it takes to get shit done, then we'll take care of it. So a lot of fun, a lot of cool stuff. And this next episode, this other stuff we got coming up it's just gonna become more and more chaotic. So stay tuned, we appreciate it.